What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. This your boy Tank be chopping, and we back with another video. I literally just got a package like 30 minutes ago. I came home, and as soon as I got the package, I've actually been waiting from this package. It's from the family over there at FwBarberSupply. Y'all know what it is, man. If y'all need any tools, any barber products, y'all can go to FwBarberSupply.com. Use my discount code TANK10 on that website. But nonetheless, man, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what we got from FwBarberSupply. It is the new special edition GTX-Exo with the M-Force blade. Check that out, man. I see Andis trying to make some big moves in the game, man. I'm gonna be 100 with y'all, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm really excited about this trimmer. You know, if you've been barbering a long time like I have, you know, the Andis T Outliner was one of the go-to trimmers for a lot of the barbers. Like I said, 20 years ago, 15 years ago, I think every barber had an Andis trimmer on their station. So we got the new Andis GTX-Exo with the M-Force blade, black label, all blacked out. Check that out, looks nice. Let's go ahead and read some of the stuff on the box. So we do get 7,200 SPMs. It is a cordless trimmer. It does say special edition, so I'm not sure if this trimmer is gonna be around forever, but nonetheless, man, looks dope. Introducing the new M-Force blade, a revolutionary springless blade tension system. That's kind of hard to say. A revolutionary springless blade tension system. Improved upper blade, hits faster and harder.
That's what she said.
True zero gap, our tightest gap yet. So I believe this is zero gap straight out the factory, but check that out once again. Here is the box that the new GTX-Exo with the M-Force blade comes in. The GTX-Z Comfort Edge blade for next level outlining and designing. M-Force system provides our most consistent blade tension yet. Exposed blade for maximum visibility. High-speed rotary motor with consistent speed technology. Won't drag or stall. Iconic outliner styling. So it has the OG body on it, as y'all can see. But nonetheless, man, let's go ahead and open up this new GTX-Exo with the M-Force blade on it. Like I said, man, I'm really excited to try this out. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. And just so y'all know, this video is just an unboxing. I know I normally do my unboxings and my reviews together. However, I just got this in the mail, and I wanted to put out a video on this as soon as I could. So we're just gonna do an unboxing on this video, but let's go ahead and open up this box. So we get the box out of there. As you can see, we got the black Andis logo on there. Create your way on the side. Nice packaging, man. Andis, I really like their packaging, but let's go ahead and open this up. So as we open up the box, as you can see in here, this is how it looks inside once you open the box. But let's go ahead and get this trimmer out of here. Take it out of the plastic sleeve that it's in. All right, check it out. So here is the Andis GTX-Exo. It's real. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, man. I think it's the exact same trimmer, just with a new blade on it. But that's what I'm excited about, is this new blade technology. Like I said before, man, if you've been barbering for a good amount of time, you know almost 100% of barbers had an Andis trimmer on their station. So I really like the design of it. Really like the way, you know, these things look. They just didn't work as good for me as I wanted them to work, so I never really continued to use them. But check it out, man. Here is the trimmer. And then the box also does come with a charging dock. You know, shout out to Andis, man. It's always good to put a charging dock with the trimmer. You know, a lot of barbers like the charging dock. That's how it would sit inside of the charging dock. As y'all can see in the back, we do have the port for the plug. Check that out. And I ain't gonna turn this on just yet. I'm gonna turn it on for y'all in a minute. But then we're gonna remove this next plastic piece out of the box. So we take this plastic piece out of there, and then we have another box for the accessories, basically. So check that out, man. As you can see, we got the Andis logo in the middle. You know, that's their rebranded logo. If you ain't really familiar with it, like I said, it is their rebranded logo. They switched things up a couple years back, I think about a year or two ago. But the kit includes 4 attachment combs, blade oil, blade cleaning brush, adapter, use and care, and warranty card. So we're gonna go ahead and open this thing up, see what else comes in here. So the first thing we get up, well, I couldn't get that out of there. All right, so check it out. We do get some guards. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I've never really used any of the trimmer guards on any trimmer that I've gotten. However, I kind of want to try it, try them on there at least to see how it looks and how it, you know, I'd be interested in using this on somebody just to see how it works. But that's how the guard fits on there. The guard actually looks nice on there. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But you do get 4 guards. You do get 4 guards. You get the 1/16 guard. What else do we get? We get a 1/8 guard, which is a 1. We get a 1/4, which is a 2, and then probably a 3/8, which is a 3. So you get the 1/16 to the 3 for the trimmer guard. So that's pretty dope. You know, if you like to trim up your own beard, it does come with guards. And then we also do get, check this out. We get the charging cord in the box with it. Obviously, it should come with a charging cord, but you do get a nice, durable, high duty, you know, it just looks nice. It's a nice looking charging cord. I know you're like, bro, what do you mean it looks nice? Well, sometimes you just get a USB charger with some clippers. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but I just think it looks a little nicer when you get an actual charging cord in the box. But then we also get, let's see what else we get in here. We get one of these cards, check that out. And then we get the manual that your boy never looks at. And then we also get some oil, check that out, with the new Andis logo on there, and then a cleaning brush that 99% of barbers don't even use, right? But let's go ahead and look back at this trimmer. Like I said earlier, guys, it's identical to the original Andis Gtx-Exo. I think the only difference is in the original Gtx-Exo, this is gold, and now it's like a grayish, whitish color. But we do get that black blade on there, the M-Force blade. Check that out. I don't know if the camera's focusing, but check that blade out. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all. And it sounds nice. I like that sound of the trimmer. I don't know, man. It's just something about the hum on this Andis trimmer I've always liked. You know, there's a few barbers in the shop that use this for balding out, and not this exact trimmer, or not this exact trimmer with this blade, but the Andis Gtx-Exo. And I've always liked the way their trimmer sounded when you were lining up and balding out with it. However, all the ones I got just didn't either bald out good or line up well. However, I'm hoping this one is a little different. The blade looks zero gap pretty good. Maybe not 100% zero gap. You probably can't tell on camera. Maybe not 100% zero gap. But if you wanted to move it up, obviously you can. But I'm gonna leave it the way it is because I think it's gonna work good. Try it on myself. And it looks to be taking down the hair good. You know, I'm really not a super hairy person on my arm, so, you know, I can't really say it's gonna be hitting, but I'm excited for it, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm really excited to try this and give y'all an updated review on this. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe. That way y'all know when I do drop the review. But nonetheless, man, this is the Andis Gtx-Exo with the M-Force blade on there. Like I said, I'm excited to try this out. Subscribe to the channel. That way y'all get all my notifications and y'all know when I do drop the review on this, because it's coming soon. I'm gonna use this for a couple days, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do a review for y'all. Now, the reason why this video isn't a review and an unboxing is because if y'all know, your boy is from Houston. We just had a hurricane last week, so they sent me this. So FwBarberSupply sent me this like last week, but it got stuck in the mail due to all the delays because of the weather. So I barely got it today, and I wanted to put out a video. So I don't have any videos of me using this, because if I did, I'd put it in this video. But when I do go to the shop tomorrow, I'll make sure to get some content using this, and I'll make sure to put some content up soon. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you like this video, subscribe if you're new to the channel, all that good stuff. But shout out to FwBarberSupply. They do have this on their website now. Not 100% sure what the price is, but I will put the price on the screen for y'all. That way, if y'all do want to purchase this, y'all can go to FwBarberSupply and purchase it. And remember, guys, you can use my discount code TANK10 on that website. That way you can save yourself a little bit of money when you're, when you're checking out. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and put this up for the time being. I'm gonna use this as soon as I get to the shop tomorrow and get some content for y'all. And I'm gonna post a review for y'all later in the week. So that's basically it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.